back. They're backing in right over here.
Wait, who is that? Is that Tanner? It's Tanner. Look at him, he looking cut and swole.
What happens when you walk 5+ miles a day?
Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Really? Hey, a new man. Hey, I vibes with it, I vibes. Let's go check out some cars and copters, my guy. What's up, man? Whoa. Oh, we came the back way. What's up, man? What y'all selling up in here, man?
Yeah, we got hamburgers and fries.
Woo, hamburgers and fries. You feeling hamburgers and fries?
Later.
All right, fellas, all right. Hamburgers and fries. The burnt truck. Hey, that's funny.
Black Series, got a 4 GT.
You heard the man, Black Series, right here, GT, and then you got a GT Ford. Damn, that's a GT Black Series, damn. That is nice. Carbon fiber down. Even the wheels. Damn. Now that's a treat. Sheesh. Carbon fiber everything. How expensive is that, Tanner?
More than what I'll make.
Damn, look at those wheels. That interior. Busting. Okay. How did you get in here? Black Series. All right, you got one egg. You got the darkened. Posing with the dog and the chopper. Let's go. The snake guy. Oh man, you know who I am? Oh my God, sorry. I'm just a guy like this guy. Except he's fucking comedy.
Hey, look.
This guy is comedy.
Tell me something funny.
All right, your GTR will lose in a race against a Hellcat.
You're funny. He's a funny guy. He's a fucking comedian.
Look, man.
Stand up at that. Stand up comedian. Clearly.
No, I'm not.
Go sit down somewhere then. You're funny. You are funny.
Look, man.
Nice to meet you.
Every clip I see of this dude, he's trying to race somebody, anybody, in his GTR. Why, bruh?
Not anyone, everybody.
Yeah.
No.
Debatable.
No. I just, I stated some facts online, and some people in the Mopar community did not like that. But it's okay.
I got a 392.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Oh, damn.
No, it's a great car.
Okay.
It's a great car.
Respect.
Great car.
Respect.
If I were you, respectfully,
don't sell it.
Don't do anything to it.
Oh.
Keep it stock.
Damn.
Got you.
He's a smart man.
Keep it reliable. All right.
All right, we on the same page. You see? We on the same page. You feel me though? Hey, sure, I see where you're going. Hey, Tanner, let's go, baby. Let's go get those eggs, man. Come on, man. Let's go get those eggs. Wait, what? Has what?
The police helicopter.
Ooh, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. GTR, Rolls Royce. Wait, what is that? What is that? Okay, we'll be back. Come on, we'll be back. Come on. Hey man, get the hell off my car, man.
Come on, man.
Look, man. Hey, you lucky I didn't have the snakes on me.
Oh yeah, I would have fell on the ground.
What's up, gang? Light speed racing, man, in the building. Let's go.
Snakes inside the barrel.
I know, and that was that car week.
You didn't hear too last year?
Yeah, facts.
It's a little reunion.
No snakes today.
Okay, good.
Hey, look, man, I had a baby. I'm gonna tell you the story.
Oh my God.
Oh God. Lambo. What up, my guy? What is this? What is that? Oh yeah, and that is a tree. What's going on, champ? Content is everywhere. Oh man, look at the fellas coming in. Nice. What's going on, fellas? CCX. A Regera. Okay. That is clean. The Centenario in gray, carbon fiber in blue, along with the Pagani. You got the Pagani and you got the Centenario. No one cares about the Centenario. It's all about the Pagani. Ain't that some shit? They're the same spec, but no one cares about this car. Ain't that some shit? Look at that. God damn. Bussin'. Carbon fiber wheels. Nope, those are not carbon fiber wheels, my bad. The brakes ceramic coated. God damn. Oh. Did I have a snake on this? I think I did. There's a copter. There's an 812. Thor. Oh, Vader, not Thor. My bad. Vader, not Thor. Let's go get some content, man. That's a nice car. The wrap, the wheels. Guy got that new Z thing. That, oh, Nismo all the way around? Sheesh. Now that's a little different. How you doing, gentlemen?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. That's a nice one. Out.
Nice to meet you, man.
Jungle Exotics. Hey, you the weed shop guy.
What's good, my boy?
I know where that is. That's the Jungle Exotics. And that McLaren. Boss. What's up with the fam bam? How you doing, Miss Lady? Look, the snakes are at home. My daughter kept me up all night, so I was like, you know what? I'm not dealing with the two kids. You know what? I'm solo today. I was hoping to get in the passenger seat with him, but you stole my seat. You stole my seat.
Hey, I can get off.
Oh, nah, not today, not today. Red Bull. That is a nice car. Hey, man, nice spec, man. Nice, bro. That's dope. The wheels are busting, bro. Woo. Hey, man, Keefy D. What's the deal, my guy? Look.
What you doing? Shit, we outside?
You already know, man. This guy is all the way in Monterey. Look, man, he rode the board from Monterey all the way here.
Yo, this
looks new.
This the new.
I was about to say, I'm not getting on it. I'm not getting it. Look, I see the way he walked away. He walked away kind of sketchy, brother. No, that's all you. No, I'm a look, but I'm not touching. It's like a car, you know. It's like a car. You gotta admire the wheels.
Race wheels, aluminum, full aluminum, full
Damn,
board.
Hurricane.
It's called a Vader. I just got a shot with Vader too.
Stop it.
Sick,
Okay, look
Vader
at this
was
dude.
Vader.
Let me check you rolling out there, man. Let's get some content. Look, see, he is.
I'm not trying to scrape it.
Yeah.
Nah, these are like actual car tire rims.
Ooh. Where do you shop to get these, bro?
Online.
There you go.
Meepo boards.
Woo.
Meepo boards. Check it out.
Keefy D in action. Look at him roll. Let's go. Keefy D. Come on, Keefy, get the content, baby. Let's go. STO rolling in. As they say, the boys is here. The boys is here. The Bugatti Super Sport. And Eric's made it from last night. Yes, my guy. Carbon fiber, damn. 918 Spider. Look at this. This is wild. Good Lord. Sheesh. Oh yeah, and you wanna know? That's driven. Just gonna let you know, that's not a trailer car. That is a driven car right there. There is a chopper in the background. But what chopper is this? How you doing, my guy?
How's it going?
Look, everybody's botching everybody's shot today. This is a botch shot today. I'm gonna tell you that much. Sheesh. LaFerrari in yellow. The chopper. 3 seats up front. Is that a... There's 3 seats up front? And there's 4 seats in the back. Let me make sure I don't step on this guy. Make sure I don't hit the chopper. Look, this is a... Whoa. 3 seats in the front and 4 seats in the back. Damn. That's one way to fly. That's one way to fly. All right, hey, wait, hold up, wait. Honest opinion, how y'all feel about that?
It's mid, bro.
It's mid, yeah.
It's mid. I just don't ever like seeing Acuras plugged in.
Yeah.
That breaks my heart. Damn. Damn. Okay, this is hard. The insides are busting. I'm gonna be honest. Them insides is busting. Damn. What's going on, gentlemen? How y'all doing?
Hey man, how are you?
This is a Type S.
Yes, sir.
Type S what?
GDX.
ZDX? Whoa. Can I sit inside of it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Whoa. Oh, snap. Dang, this is a nice car. Oh, man, I'm not a fan of the dash being up top. What's up with this? That's crazy. Wild.
Check out that credit here we have. That thing's cool.
That's you guys' too?
Yeah.
That's wild. See, look, I'm not a fan of an Acura plugged in. I'm sorry.
No, hey,
I gotta,
don't worry.
I gotta, oh my goodness. I got an Acura TLX, A-Spec.
Yeah.
Good Lord. I'm bogging out because there's so many cars. I almost said I got a Bugatti. They would have never believed that shit.
They will.
I would have believed it in my mind, but they wouldn't have believed it at all.
There you go.
How you doing, fellas?
Great.
Great.
What's your name?
Ewan.
Billy.
There you go. The guys out here
Yep.
from Irvine Acura have bring the whip. Appreciate you, fellas. Have a good one. And this as well. Sheesh. The Grenadier. Whoa. Look at the wheels. Look at...
They're
What?
like low to mid 80s.
Okay, this is nice.
But it starts at 73 as a base with no other features added, and then if you start adding new fracks and all that stuff, you get
Fuck, a pilot.
Making racks for this one.
Are they?
The ones that do.
Look, you got the half and half Ferrari, red and white. I like this spec. Fan of this. Expo Racing, and the kid is here. Yeah. Look, I mean, I'm gonna be honest. Somebody should design a wrap for this car and put this all on it. Just put this on your car if it's that serious. I'm gonna be honest. If it's that serious, just wrap the whole car like that. That way everyone knows. Just get one of the sickest wraps in the world and wrap it like this. Plus, this car is full carbon fiber. Full carbon. That's crazy. All right, look. If you're a car person, you may or may not know what that is. You're gonna be like, man, that's the air intake. That's the air. You know what? You're right. That's exactly wrong. Wrong answers only. Wrong answers only. How about that? Shit. Wrong answers only. Damn. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is either. I'm not gonna tell you what that is. If you don't know, you just don't know. Look, I'm gonna show you. Whoa. Damn. What does it sound like? See, this is the type of things that make you stay to the end of the show. The Maybach. The wheels. V12. Creative design. Carbon fiber Mustang old school. But the Maybach, how do you choose one car over the other car? I mean, how would you, look, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you was in this car, I don't know. This is full carbon. I don't know what the hell. Full carbon. Damn. This is just all the way crazy. And then you just have the Maybach. It's the Maybach. Yeah. Lambo, the V10. Wild. Look, man, I'm just standing here, man. I'm a Mopar guy. You see, it's
Camaro.
bro. This is
Disrespecting the bow tie out here.
bro.
It's all video.
Hey, this is true. This is true, bro. Just because it's a Camaro, don't mean I don't have Mopar parts.
It's
No. Are you serious?
a bow tie.
It's a bow tie. I can't.
Look, don't disrespect the bow tie calling it a Mopar, all right?
I still consider this a Mopar.
How?
How is a muscle car?
What? This is a Chevrolet. This is a Camaro.
This is a muscle car.
Bro.
Okay, see, yeah, you definitely got a lot of learning. This,
Goodness,
what?
You call this a Mopar?
Yes.
Got a lot of learning.
What? You wouldn't.
What?
It's a. Oh my
It's a what?
goodness.
It's a what?
It's a Chevy, but why would it not be a Mopar?
You know, I gotta go over there.
Yeah,
Look,
oh,
guys, take care of my
look,
guy.
how-
Make sure he's good.
Oh,
Make sure he's good.
I can't. What is going on? How is it not?
I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah, you.
Hey, keep the Mopar safe, right?
Hey, did you bring your car here?
I did not.
You see what, dude? Okay, yeah.
You're the fastest thing here.
I'm done with Dan. I'm done with Dan. I gotta go. He's. What is this? A clown car? Oh my goodness. What is going on? What are the odds that I see Tanner going back the same direction I'm going at the same time? What are the odds? What are the odds I run into Tanner again walking back to his car? Or where the hell he's going? What's going on?
You got me because I'm walking back to my car to get another hat.
I'm going back to my car.
Oh yeah, what are you gonna do? You going home?
No, just going back to my car to grab. I need a breath mint. Felt like my breath stank, and I left my cologne.
Oh good. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to Street Plugs. If you're watching this video and not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe
Yeah,
to the
what are you
man.
doing? Come on, man. Hey, I like the lingo. I like that one. Hey, just keep plugging. Just
I
keep
would
doing your
just
thing.
keep plugging.
Let's go.
Get a hat, Street Plugs.
I'll see you back.
Even though it's overcast, I don't want to get sunburned.
There you go. And I'm parked next to these guys. How y'all doing? Look, I see y'all got it all chilled. Y'all got the vibes over here. Y'all got the vibes, man. Where you going? That's a nice car. The Bugatti with it. SVJ. Oh my goodness. The Brabus 4x4. Carbon fiber. Damn. Got it.
Hey,
Wow.
hey, they're gonna be right here.
Guys, back up! More cars go! Clear out, thank you!
Now I know where the horns are.
This whole area has to be cleared out. All the way back. All the way back. They're backing in right over here.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to stop honking at me, my guy.
Hey, that Pure Sport's blocking where we're gonna put the 5. That Pure Sport is right here behind the people.
Okay, it's fine. Just do what we can.
Alright.
Hey, honk it again, honk it again.
Back up! This area is clear!
You didn't hear it.
Back up, guys.
Pure Sport? Carbon fiber? Exposed? Wow. Ferrari. Excuse me. Are you good? You good? You good? You good? I can't. Wow. The guy's vibing in the front seat. There you go. Hey, Gigi, what's up, girl? Hey, how you get over there, man?
Back up, bro. Thank you. All the way around. Yep.
Hey, look, I'm standing here trying to get some headspace because there's so many people. One dude said it looks like an ant farm.
Thank you.
Standing right here with the man from Jungle Exotics. What's going on, my guy?
Yo,
how you doing?
What's going on, my boy?
So what y'all selling?
So we're actually an exotic car rental company.
Okay.
We started not too long ago. Here for display, we got our wide body Urus right here.
Right.
Next to the Chiron, we got the Maybach, and then don't forget, we got the SVJ right here. Get nice and close.
Wait,
Right there.
for rent?
That one is actually just our show car.
Okay.
That one is 900 grand, so we try to keep that one on the low.
Hey, what about the Maybach?
The Maybach, though, that Maybach is actually, we bought it recently from someone very, very famous.
Whoa.
I cannot say a name and who it is, but let's just say he's one of the
They
greatest.
signing NDAs over here,
One of the
man.
greatest boxers of all time. That's all I'm gonna say.
There you
That's all I'm
go.
gonna say.
Look, man, appreciate you, my guy. So y'all selling a good time. So go hit up Jungle Exotics, and you know they selling a good time.
Hey.
Come rent a car and have a good time. You and your girl. Look,
Hey,
One of the snakes,
look, I didn't bring the snakes today because my daughter kept me up all night, man. So
Hey,
yeah,
I'll tell you what, I'll make a special deal for your people and your people only. Anyone who hits us up on Instagram and drops his name, I got 20% for y'all.
Sheesh.
Here we go. Special.
Straight plugs, let's go.
Let's go.
Y'all get in there. All right, my guy. Appreciate you, man. Yes, sir. Look, you heard the man. They said they got the Maybach over here. Dang. Woo. Yeah, this is bussin'. Widely bussin'. Whoa. Crazy. Whoa. Black and two-tone carbon fiber seat wheels, carbon fiber side mirrors, carbon fiber door. Damn. Bugatti, Pure Sport. Yeah, that's wild. The wing on the back, carbon fiber all down the top. Look at this wing. Alright, so that's a treat. You got two Apollo IEs loaded up. Before they rope this off, because I know they're gonna rope this off, let me get the comment. Damn. This and this. Wild. The black interior, don't know if this does it justice for this. That's crazy. The light up display is on. It's like you're literally sitting down. That's wild. That is crazy. I'm a fan of the red other than I am the black. But I like the purple. Now that's crazy. That's just purple carbon. Crazy. He tried to.
I want a sweatshirt from H&M.
He tried to sneak up on me. He says they said he went to go get a sweatshirt from H&M. Why, bro? It's
I heard
hot out here.
it was okay.
wrong
The
with you?
forecast on my Amazon Alexa
No.
said 62 all
Don't
day.
listen to the news unless you live in Florida. Then you listen to the news.
I ain't going
No,
to
not
Florida
even.
anytime soon.
Not even. You see that fucking
Oh,
Corvette wrapped in
God.
plastic?
No, I saw that. But what happened? I didn't see
I don't
it.
know. I heard it's fine.
I
I've heard it's
wanted to see what happened though. Did it get flooded? Anything?
No, probably not.
Anything. The town is here, y'all.
10 minutes
I
gone out.
almost forgot. Where the hell are you going?
Hey, I ain't forget about
I'm letting
you,
him
bro.
take center
Almost
stage.
forgot about the king.
My big ass don't need to be center stage.
The original, man.
OG.
He's an original
Look
to
at
the channel.
2021, bro.
Come on,
Oh
my
my
God.
God, that's how long
Let's
it's
go.
been?
Dude,
Let's
yeah,
go.
I met him like, yeah,
Sheesh.
like 2020.
It's been a while.
2021.
It's been a
no,
while.
I've known you for a while. dude.
It's been a
Every
while.
summer.
Fact. We got the Koenigsegg parked with the chopper. That's nice. Why do I sound like I hear a helicopter coming? No, I don't. And you got attack chopper. What is this? Nope. Just a regular chopper. Well, I don't know how regular this is. That looks like a jet propulsion. Damn, 4-seater. Damn, this is nice. Look at those seats. Damn. Hey, my guy, you matching the car, bro. This yours? This your car right here? I mean, shit, I don't judge, my guy. What's up?
How we doing, baby?
9-4.
Always,
Let's
baby.
go.
Always. Look at
Let's
this.
go. 9-4
Look at
ads in the house. CCX. Is
CCX.
this your car,
It's
sir?
my car. They don't even, just
Sheesh.
the emblem itself is worth more than an average clapped out G35.
There
know
you
what I'm
go.
talking about.
Woo.
But no disrespect.
Bussin'. Look at the carbon fiber. Oh my gosh. Bro,
You
this
already
is
know,
crazy,
baby.
bro. This is crazy.
Y'all here.
Stop
Come
front
on.
on these people.
Bro,
you know you
look.
borrowed my car. This is literally
Bro,
my car.
My bad.
sometimes you gotta take credit when credit is due. You feel me? Sheesh.
Take the keys from the wall. There you go.
Bussin'.
Fake
I
it
see
till
this
you
guy
make it.
hiding in the cut, man. I see you. I see you. Carbon fiber all over. They at the house, man.
They been chilling.
What's going on, Champ? How you doing? Good. She's good. She's good. She's good. I thought I was gonna bring her, but no. All right, now this is dope. There was a Ruelto. Need money for boobies and Ruelto. Oh, with the pink wheels. Okay, that's got the premium rally. That's wild. The cops are here on horseback. Well, that's a nice treat. Damn, you don't see that every day. Literally. Whoa. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Nice. What's your horse's name?
Drifter.
Drifter. Does he like to go sideways?
You know he does actually. Like, walks out a little can.
That's dope. That is dope. Oh, it says it on his tag right there. Wow. That is so cool. I don't want to get too close, Drifter. I'm gonna be honest, buddy.
He's nice.
Whoa.
So the whole team being on duty. But if you're trying to get on the team,
That's a dope horse.
you don't have to go. But if you want to get on the team, like it's probably a good idea to show up and go.
My guy, Y Miguel,
Yes, sir.
aka Greedy in the building,
Yes, sir.
aka everything, bruh.
Yes, sir.
Cars and copters, you already know the deal. Let's go. Look, man, you could just roll right up under this shit. You good, bro. What is you doing? You should have did it. You should have did it. That was content, bro. Hey, he would literally just be right here rolling around under all the choppers and shit. Hey, I'm under another. Wow. You a fan of helicopters? Yeah, they crazy, bro. They crazy. What's going on, brother? All right, all right. Wow, look at this monster right here, though. That's wild. Damn. Purple carbon fiber. Which one is this? Excuse me. Whoa. Look at the interior. That's crazy. Look at the dash. Holy shit. Okay. Which model is this? Zonda AY? I've never seen this one.
Sorry about that. Never seen this one.
Holy
He said he wouldn't reply to me, but he's singing his
cow.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is the gym of gyms right here. God damn. They just laughing and shit. What y'all laughing at?
No.
What's funny? The car?
Didn't even laugh.
he laughed, tried to get you to laugh. And my guy over here, a solid one. There you go. What's your Instagram?
I'm just chilling, bro.
What's your IG?
X. I don't even know my name.
I don't even know my name. Damn. Purple everywhere. This is crazy. Zonda AY? Yeah, that's the car. That is the car.
Little buggy mirrors.
Yours Performante. That's wild. You got 1,000 people huddled around in the 812. That's probably gonna rev. Rolls Royce. Range Rover. And then 1016 Lamborghini. Not in Lambo, Performante. 1016 Lambo. And the gang's over here.
Excuse me. I'll send you what time Enjoy the show. Good to see you. Oh my God. Look who it is.
Squad. What's the deal?
What bracket?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Just chilling.
Big
Just
dad
another day.
vibes. Look at you.
Yo, man, I was up till 3 o'clock in the morning, bro. Bruh.
Welcome to Dad Life.
It's crazy. You already know. Man. 1016 in the house.
9
Oh
cars.
my. 9 cars.
9 cars. Black Badge Coleman wide body, Range Rover Vogue wide body,
Woo.
Huracan Performante, Aventure RS, wide body 720, $200,000 kit on that. GT3 RS, GT3 Touring, Turbo
Whoa.
S, and GT2 RS.
Dang.
All touched by us. We touched them a little bit.
A little bit. Just a little
We
bit.
diddy them a little bit. It's all right.
Woo! Enjoy the specs, gentlemen, because they are here for show. The guys. Appreciate you, my guy.
Good to see you.
Good to
Enjoy the
see
show.
you as well. Always, man. Always. 1016. Let's go. The guys doing their thing. Woo! Wow. Florida. Whoa. Look at that. Blue carbon. Look at that. Damn. Nice. Nice. And the interior is bussing. Shit. 1016 Industries, baby. Let's go. Kill Bambi over here chilling. What's going on, Miss Lady? This mother.
Hey.
What's up with you, bruh?
I brought my snake.
Should I be concerned?
Yeah.
I told you. That's why I didn't. Should I be concerned? Oh my God.
like
What's
that?
up, champ?
How you been?
I'm good. You got some food and you didn't give me none.
Nah, actually, nah. There were some stale ass fries, bro.
This motherfucker got me. He got food too. He didn't give me none. Voodoo Designs. Hey, they turn the music back on, but the Voodoo Design guys are in the building. Oh yeah, that music. Turn the music off. Shit. Ah! Wait, since when did you own a McLaren? I can't. I mean, when do I get to drive? I don't know. Damn. Ooh, that's cologne. That looks expensive. That looks expensive, sir. Somebody brought the Trump 2024 Porsche. Cybertruck, Lucky Wheel Club, and the Urus joint. Got the Koenigsegg sitting next to the chopper. This is nice. The other egg sitting next to the chopper. Cars and cars. Choppers on cars. Damn. The Sheepy Race STO. This is wild. With the tires. Damn. Carbon fiber door. That's wild. Sheepy Race on the fucking engine.
Behind him, actually.
Oh, there you go.
How you feel? You jealous? What is it making you feel? What is it?
No, this is networking, baby.
It's making you,
This is all about inspiration, elevation.
there you go.
get it,
There
baby.
you go.
Right? He can put the sticker in the car, right?
Sheesh. Fire department rolling down. You got an SV. And you got a McLaren SL. Woo! Look at that bitch. Yeah. Yeah. I can't open up my YouTube feed, my Instagram feed, without seeing this nigga do a wheelie on a goddamn rainbow motorcycle. All right, it's Aurora, my bad. The bike is Aurora, damn it. All right, what's going on?
What's up, man?
How you been?
I've been good, man. I couldn't bring my toys out today
Well,
because
why?
we got a reveal coming up.
He
I'm
said,
not ready yet.
He said, I'm in Huntington Beach. I'm not going down there. I'm black. I'm not.
They not ready
No.
for me yet. I gotta
No.
I'm letting them get their shine, nigga.
Bro, I heard that.
Nah, I'm just playing.
Hey,
man.
good to
but
see
yeah,
you.
no, I got a few things coming.
Hey, stop doing wheelies and keep your shirt on.
Oh, no.
Goddamn, nigga.
I'm not light skinned.
What do you mean, nigga? Damn. All I see is this nigga. Helmet on, nigga.
That's how we do it, man.
Hey,
We gotta be crazy.
Be
bro.
safe out here.
Yeah, appreciate it.
So, it's over. Big Daddy's out of here. All right, man. Later, motherfucker.